Hi, it's Anne. Today I just want to show you, I painted this in a previous video where I used my own texture paste and inks and stuff to do this one, but I didn't show you what I was going to do with it in the end. I've got this wooden canvas and I just painted the edges all around. You can see there and there. I don't want to paint the whole thing because it sticks down better when you just put it on like this. So all that I'm going to do is I've got wood Carpenters glue, so I'm just going to put Carpenters glue onto this. I don't want to go onto the edges, so I'm just going to take it in from the sides first. And I just want to coat this area here. This is just a rubber squeegee or silicone brayer, or what do you call it, I don't know. Silicone wedge, I think. So it works quite nice because the glue and stuff don't stick to it that well. So what you can do now is you can just take a little bit of water and just slightly dampen this backing, not too much, and then drop it on there. Before you put it down, just make sure it's everywhere where you want to have it, and then you can press down on this. Now I'm not going to do more than this. I'm just going to press down, make sure I go everywhere, and then I'm going to take a heavy book and place it. If you are scared there's cold glue coming out, you can put the plastic or a silicone mat or anything over it, but I'm confident there's no cold glue that will stick to my book. So I'm going to do this and I'm going to put it in place where it can dry like that, and then I will show you when it's finished. Okay, this is dry now. It has been drying for a while. You can see it's stuck down everywhere. So I'm just going to put a water basis varnish on top of this and put a screw in, and then I can hang it, or hanger, and then I can hang it. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, I would definitely see you next time, and have a lovely day.